And it's like, can I even make money on YouTube without having 1,000 subscribers? Yeah, you can. It's crazy and we love it. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new around here, my name is Hannah. If you're not new, welcome back. Today I have a really fun and exciting video for you guys that I have been wanting to put together forever. Today I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you guys can make money from YouTube before you're even monetized. There are 4 different things that we're going to be talking about in this video. 4 different ways that you guys can start making money from your YouTube channel before you are monetized, meaning before you have 1,000 subscribers, before you have 4,000 watch hours, so on and so forth. If I keep looking down, it's because I have my notebook here with all my notes. Before we get started, I want you guys to keep 2 things in mind. Typically, I would say that these 4 streams of income that you guys can use before you're monetized would work best if you do have some sort of small audience or if you get a significant amount of views on your videos. For example, I have 600 subscribers and I get an average anywhere between 150 to 200 views on my videos. Sometimes I blow up more and get like anywhere from like 500 to 8,000 views on my videos. It honestly just depends what the video is, but I would say the average is anywhere between 150 to 200 views. So just keep that in mind. Second thing is that you won't be making like buku bucks unless you figure out how to hack the system. And if you figure out how to hack the system and make buku bucks with having less than 1,000 subscribers through these 4 different ways, let a girl know. So the first 2 revenue streams that we're going to talk about fall under one category. They fall under affiliate links, but I did split it up into 2 because they're 2 different programs that I use that are very different than each other. So the first program that I use is the Amazon Associates Central program, and this is also known as the Amazon Affiliates program. So if you guys didn't know, Amazon actually has their own affiliates program. I feel like that's not widely known. I feel like maybe big creators know about it, but not small creators. Amazon does have their own affiliate program. Everyone shops on Amazon, so I feel like this program is so useful and so essential, and it's so nice to have. So the requirements for applying for this program are more recommendations than they are requirements. The first recommendation that they do have is that you have at least 500 subscribers or 500 followers if you're doing this for Instagram. This isn't like a hard number. I don't think that they would decline your application if you had less than 500 subscribers, but they might not let you into the program if you only have like 100 or 200 subscribers. I think that this is just also beneficial for you because the second requirement they have is that you have to have at least 3 sales in the first 180 days in order to keep your Amazon Associates program open. I feel like it's not hard to get 3 sales in 180 days if you are getting the views, if you do have the subscribers, if you do have the loyal following. But I think that just kind of goes in hand with having it. They recommend that you have at least 500 subscribers because then you probably will get the 3 purchases in 180 days. Keep in mind with the 3 purchases in 180 days, it does not count if you use your own link to purchase the products. It doesn't count if your family uses the link to purchase the product. Somehow, some way, they just can tell and they know, and so just don't do it. I think the whole purpose of their Amazon affiliates program is so that they can drive new customers to Amazon or new customers to that product. So if you're buying your own product through your own link, it kind of defeats the whole purpose of the program in their mind. So how to go about applying for the program, I'm going to put the link in the description down below so that you guys can just click the link, go to the program, apply through that link. Once you apply through the link, Amazon reviews all of the information that you've provided, and once you're approved, you will be able to get started. They kind of walk you through the first initial steps of filling out your tax forms, filling out your information, filling out your bank account information, and then we'll ask you if you have any additional questions. From there, you can go to the help center and it'll say like how to get started, how to create your own affiliate link, you know, the whole 9 yards. But once you figure out how to get your own personal customizable link, from there you'll be able to link products in your description. So you'll go into your Amazon Associates page, you'll look up the product, you'll generate your own link for that product, and then you'll link that product in the description in your video so that when someone clicks the link in your video and then goes to that product and then purchases that product, you will get a percentage of the sale from the product, if that makes any sense. The second type of affiliate link that I want to talk to you guys about is through reward style. Some of you guys may know it as Like to Know It if you are on Instagram and you follow all the Instagram influencers. So basically this is anything that's not on Amazon. It's a whole bunch of clothing stores and shoe stores and home decor stores, really a random variety of online websites It's honestly so random what you can link through reward style, but it works in our favor, so I'm all here for it. Personally, I use it for stores like Crate & Barrel, Lulu's, Misguided, Lululemon, Athleta, Target, Kohl's. There's just a whole wide variety. It's actually wild. So I actually applied for Like to Know It / reward style on Instagram first, and from there I was accepted in not only Like to Know It, which is basically a fashion app, but I was also accepted into reward style, and reward style is what I use for YouTube. Like to Know It is what I use for Instagram. Let me just clarify that first. I will show the differences between the two on the screen, but they are technically the same companies. After I applied for Like to Know It and reward style and I got accepted into the program, it's similar to the Amazon Associates Central program, where you can start getting your own affiliate links and personal affiliate links linked to your account to put in the description of your video. If someone clicks on the link in the description of your video, likes the product, purchases the product, you get a commission from that sale. So that is it for the affiliate link programs that I use. Moving on to the third way that I make money from YouTube is through sponsorships. I think this one's probably going to be surprising for a lot of people, because I feel like the general thought process in someone's head is that you can't get a sponsorship on YouTube until you have at least 1,000 subscribers, and let me just clear that up right here, right now. Let's smash that rumor. That's just simply not true. I got my first sponsorship on YouTube when I had about 400 subscribers, I think, maybe 450 subscribers, so nowhere even near 1,000, and I got a sponsorship from a company that I really loved and was super excited about. So let's smash the rumor right now that you need 1,000 subscribers to get a sponsorship. So how sponsorships work is that you can either reach out to a brand or they can reach out to you. For them to reach out to you, that's why it's really important to put an email account in either description of your video or on your YouTube account, so that if a brand stumbles across your YouTube video and really likes your vibe and really likes what you stand for and wants to work with you, they can go to that email you, and then you guys can set up like some sort of sponsorship deal. So make sure that you do have your email in your description or in your account information page so that brands can reach out to you. But even if brands don't reach out to you, don't let that discourage you, because you can always reach out to brands you love as well. The last thing that I want to say about sponsorships is make sure that it is a company that you really like and you support. I do have my Gmail or a Gmail account linked to my YouTube channel, and I get a lot of really weird spam emails come in from brands. Make sure that it's a company that you really like and a company that you really want to support, because companies that you're promoting on your channel are a reflection of you. The last way that you can make money from YouTube before you are monetized is by promoting businesses or platforms that you already have. Basically taking your YouTube audience and driving it towards your other platforms to build a bigger audience over there. I have seen this done in 3 ways specifically. One of them is through Poshmark. If you have a Poshmark account and you mention your Poshmark account on your YouTube video, if you make like lifestyle videos or thrift videos or something like that, if you have a Poshmark account and you mention your Poshmark account in your video and you link it in the description, people can then go check out your Poshmark account and buy your clothes. So that is one way that I've seen it done. The second way that I've seen it done is promoting your Instagram. If you're maybe bigger on Instagram than you are on YouTube and you're already making money on Instagram, you can drive your YouTube audience from YouTube to your Instagram to gain more followers and therefore gain more money on Instagram. The third and final way that I've seen this done is through Etsy. Etsy is like it's not new, but I feel like it's definitely become popular recently, and I don't know if it's due to the pandemic and just the situation we're in, or if it's just like all of a sudden popping off, but everyone and their mother has an Etsy account. People will make like scrunchies, stickers, digital art for people. You can make just like a whole array of products, and you can drive your YouTube audience to your Etsy shop for them to buy your products and support you. That is it for this video. If you guys have any questions about anything that I've mentioned in this video, make sure to comment it down below so that I can help you guys out. I respond to pretty much every single comment, so I will be there to answer your questions. If you're not subscribed already, you should subscribe to me. I make a lot of lifestyle content. I mainly make weekend vlogs, work day in my life vlogs. I sometimes dabble in fashion hauls. I sometimes do like challenges, like trying my subscribers' favorite Dunkin' drinks, like stuff like that. I just kind of make a wide variety of content, but definitely specialize in lifestyle content. So if you guys like to see stuff like that, you should stick around, subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it even remotely useful and beneficial, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.